Man, this is what I'm talking about. Do y'all see this brightness? This is what I'm talking about. Hey, what is good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dylan. It's a nice bright day today. It's breezy, it's warm. Perfect day to work on the cars. Yeah, decided to pull out the camera. Definitely got some things to do. Should be exciting, should be fun. Yeah, let's get started in today's video. So before we start today's video, I'm happy to announce High Beam's mini merch drop is finally here. It took some time, but it's finally here. Let me show you guys. Can I get a drum roll, please? So we got the High Beam's first ever jet tag keychain. I'm actually happy with the results. It came out clean. Shop did a really good job. So this is like a deep yellow or like an amber yellow with the black stitching. Got the High Beam's logo with the lightning bolt. And on the back it says International Racing Crew. Nice, high quality, 5-inch jet tag. Kind of matches with this right here. It's dope. So if anyone wants to support and cop yourself a jet tag keychain, first ever High Beam's keychain, the link will be in the description. Yeah, while quantities last. It took some time to get this done, so if you want it, link is in the description. Thank you for supporting. So I got one more thing to show you guys for our merch. Take a look at this. So we got the High Beam's team sticker, just a simple logo, signature logo. But the cool thing about this sticker is, you guys see something? So the cool thing about this sticker is, got that white reflective going on. So at night, this is literally gonna be High Beam's. So there you go, High Beam's team sticker in white reflective. At night, this is gonna shine nice, hit you with those angles. Link will be in the description. If anyone wants to support, get it today. So now let's get started on today's video. Today we're going to be working on Project Miata. It's time to get it ready for summer. As you can see right here, this wheel, it's flat. I don't know why. I put air in it earlier, it's still flat. So I think there's a hole in it. So it's no good, has to come off. Got some wheels chilling over here. So it's time to put these on. So right now I'm gonna head over to Ralphie's crib, pick up the low profile jack so I can jack this car up and swap the wheels. So let's get started, let's head out. Look at that front end. This car is looking mean. So the car's warmed up, ready to go. But you know I had to get a jet tag keychain for myself. And any of y'all who have an 8th gen with the hybrid racing short shifter, this is gonna match. So looks dope. Went with the yellow to be different. Came out clean. But yeah, let's head out. Damn, long time no see.
Oh god. Ooh,
That's
heat.
I know, it looks sick.
I fuck with that. That's neat.
I know.
Oh wow. Oh, these are heat. I fuck with these.
They're
Actually, it's actually a nicer yellow.
I know.
Cause it's like
It's
darker.
It's deep.
Yeah.
And like I don't think it'll get that dirty.
Yeah, definitely. Yo, low-key the caliper paint about is this color.
Is it actually? Yeah. Oh, you got caliper paint?
yeah. It was on sale.
That's dope.
Ooh, yellow. It's gonna be heat.
Damn.
It's not bad.
Kind of matches.
Kinda. This is a little more faded than this
Yeah,
one. This is
but, like,
deeper.
You would have to see it like painted
On the
over,
actual caliper.
Yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't turn out shit.
I know.
Yo, it actually looks good.
It actually doesn't look that bad. I'm not even gonna lie. So So I need this to put in the car. Look who it is, man. Boy, Adrian pulled up. This guy got a different set of wheels, but it's gonna go soon. Let me carry this. It's heavy though.
That's you, fam. I'll carry a camera.
I like that sweater though.
Nah, lie, me too.
It looks good though, I'm not gonna lie. Like when you pulled up,
I don't know, I haven't seen it rolling, that's why.
it's alright. It works though, it works. See our Kai's in bronze.
I lie. That's honestly the only reason why I hopped on it. I wanted to see what work was saying.
But the work needs work. That's alright. Sorry for a lack of filming, but change of plans. Adrian decided to pull up Wrld at Ralphie's crib. I'm gonna go back home, change the wheels on the Miata. I think Adrian might link up with me too, so just trying to get stuff done today. Unplanned link up, but it's cool. So I'm finally back home. Me and Adrian are back here. Flat tire.
Yeah.
Got the jack. Time to change these wheels on the Miata. So we're ready to work on the car. I don't know what this guy's saying. This guy's on his phone, not even moving it. Move the car, bro.
A few moments later.
So 21 socket, right? 21 millimeter socket.
So it's a milliliter.
Hondas are 19s. Mazdas are 21.
Like a leak in the bead or something.
Oh, you're trying to find the hole?
Yeah.
Finally swapping the wheels on the Miata. This guy's so eager to see it. But hold up. So before you install the wheels, you're gonna need this hub-centric rings. I'm running it on the Civic, so I decided to get it for this. 73 to 54. That's how it is on the Miata. These wheels though, they're looking tough. Jeez, look at that polish. It's looking icy. Told you guys a hot boy summer. So these lugs came with the car. I don't even like the way they look. Looks like a cap to a marker. You know those ones?
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
So we're working on the back. So look at this exhaust for this Miata. Looks like a custom catback. Yeah, just looking at this, it looks like a custom catback all the way here. That's why it's kind of a little bit noisy. Smells a lot. Car has a lot of surface rust, but this right here needs to go, so it's okay. But since the back is jacked up, look at it. Look at the fitment here. Am I a stance boy already? Future look for real. Am I stancing already? What is this? One finger? Two finger? One finger.
Trying to have no fingers, alright?
No fingers? Fender to lip?
Finger to lip.
Oh, you crazy!
We finally finished up. That's how it sits.
This guy.
Put my foot in there. Here looks worse. I mean, it has to settle, but unacceptable. So you guys already know what's next. What else? Yeah, I didn't say what wheels these are. These are nothing crazy. These are J&C wheels, 15 by 8 plus 0 offset. That's why it pokes out so much. It's gonna need some camber for sure. And you can see the stretch over here. Here's our 175, 55, 15s. They're mismatched. This is Continental, so the stretch is not that much. It looks cool though. So I also took off this ugly bracket. Now the front end, you can see all the chips. Less.
Chips.
It looks better like that though. It's plain front end. Maybe you'll get a lip. Toe strap for sure. It's coming, guys. It's coming. Okay. So the last thing we're gonna do is this annoying sound. We gotta get rid of it. Like, it's not like Hondas. Like Hondas used to just beep nice. This is just.
What is that?
I know it's an ear breaker. So. Just like that. It's a little switch. You just unplug it. Quick, easy mod. Now it's not annoying. But I hope I don't forget my keys though. Okay, so the next thing for today, I lied to you guys. Not the last thing. I don't know, I feel like these lights are a little bit too high. So just trying out the sleepy eye mod. This one looks awake and this one looks like just punched. But it's easy, you just unplug the motor of the light. Let's see if I can do it by myself. You just unplug this, take the cap of that off, and start spinning. It's gonna go down. I'm not even sure if the light is gonna work, but we'll see. About the 8 high is nice. This one's too low, yeah?
Yeah, one on the left. Maybe lower on. I think it looks fine right here.
It's perfect?
Yeah. No? Look at it.
Yeah, it looks good. Alright. I think that's good. So that's how it looks. I feel like it looks better. The sleepy eyes, the wheels, and when this car is done. Yeah, you guys can see the vision. Come on now. Miata looking mean, no?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, so needs more low. That's all. You guys see the vision. It's coming. Just needs some low. Yeah, interior is cleaned up, vacuumed everything. Going for a little spin. Adrian's gonna try it out. It's pretty peppy though, the car feels fun. Car looks hella sick. There goes the Miata. She's sleeping. Literally sleeping. but parked up. The car drove okay, but the wheel hubs were kind of vibrating a bit, so I'm gonna look into it later. Rest up. We're done here, no?
Yes, sir.
Time to go hoop. Jeez. Finished up with the whip, so it's time to chill out. Got the kicks. Time to go hoop. Get some shots up. Brick. Oh, you got the speaker too? Yes, sir. Forgot my camera though.
Oh, your feet wet?
Good thing it's HD, you feel me?
So I'm handsome.
You're handsome. Tell him again.
Ugly as fuck, bro. Oh, shit. Oh, sorry, guys.
Nighttime with the whips. It's time to go home.
What's the height?
Been a long day. Peace out.
Long, hard day.
So I'm finally back home of a day of working on the cars and shooting some hoops. Shout out to the crew. Shout out to Adrian for helping me out with the Miata. The more I look at it, man, it's coming. I can already see what's coming. So I'm hella tired right now, but it's time to call it a night. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Y'all already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the link in the description if you want to support the channel. We really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.